the channel, glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how much capital do you really need to start on Amazon KDP and what to do if you're really tight on cash. What's the solution? What are some alternatives that you can try? Now, the question here is, how much money do you really need to kickstart your self-publishing journey on Amazon KDP? The answer, as with many things in life, is that it always does depend. It depends on you, it depends on your budget, it depends on where you really want to go with the Amazon KDP journey and the platform. So your initial investment would depend largely, first of all, on your skills level and also on the type of book that you're looking to publish. If you are a skilled writer, if you have design skills and design experimentation as well that you're successful with, you can save a lot by handling tasks yourself, which includes writing, formatting, and designing the cover all by yourself. However, if you are more comfortable outsourcing these tasks, and if you're really a beginner but do have the right budget to get started with, be prepared to open your wallet. You can also use services such as ghostwriting, cover design, formatting, and A+ content creation. All these come with a price tag attached, but they will save you time and it will save you energy as well and effort. But remember, quality always wins. Quality always matters. It's important to maintain the quality, whether you're creating it yourself or whether you are outsourcing. Investing in professional services can really help to pay dividends in the form of higher click-through rates, more sales, and ultimately greater success on the Amazon KDP platform. So what to do if you are tight on cash? What are some alternatives out there? So there are creative ways you can implement without breaking the bank. You can utilize resources like YouTube tutorials, step-by-step tutorials to really help to improve and upskill your skills in terms of design skills with Photoshop. We've got Canva, we've got Photophia, for example. These are all great free options, and there are also some affordable strategies as well. And you can learn the skills yourself gradually and slowly, but it will really help you in the long run if you're super tight on cash. But if you do have the cash ready in hand to spend, that will basically help you to save time and energy, and it will make sure that you're paying more attention to the actual progress and monitoring of the business rather than the step-by-step being actively aware and active in the creation process. So it's all about finding the balance between your budget limitations and your quality output. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next one.